Chantilly lace and a pretty face and a ponytail hanging down, wiggling a walk and a giggling a talk, Lord, make the world go round. There ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl to make me act so funny, make me spend my money, make me feel real loose, like a long-legged, like a girl. Oh, baby, that's what I like. Now, I don't have much time. It gets like 15 minutes or so. So I got a song here that gives me not one, not two, not three, but four voices all in one. So we're going to go to Detroit, Michigan and Motown for The Temptations. I turn gray sky blue, but I can make it rain whenever I want to. On all the things I can do, so I can't get next to you. Come on, can't get next to you. Can't get next to you. Should we keep it funky? I want to make sure I don't see the top of your head, you know. Yeah, I'm a brand new stranger in the black sedan. Won't you hop inside my car? Got bitches and I'm a lovable man. Take you to the nearest store. I'm your vehicle, baby. Take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle woman, and by now I'm sure you know that I love you, I need you, I want you, got to have you, child. Great God in heaven, you know I love you. How about a little country music? Well, I went down to the Grundy County auction. There I saw something I just had to have. My mind told me I should proceed with caution. My heart said, go ahead and make a bid on that. And I said, hey, pretty lady, won't you give me a sign? I'd give anything to make you mine on mine. Do your business. Oh, Bertha! Yeah, never seen anyone looking so fine, man. I gotta have her, she's one of a kind. I'm going once, going twice. I'm so little lady in the second row. She's an 8, she's a 9, she's a 10, I know. She got a ruby red lips, blonde hair, blue eyes. I'm about to bid 100 miles. How about we go back a little bit further? Hello, I'm Johnny Cash. Love is a burning thing that makes the fiery rain. Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 where the flames went high. It burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire. How about some love song from the king of the love song, Engelbert Humperdinck? I see you to sleep after the loving. I brush back the hair from your eyes, and the love on your face is so real that it makes me wanna cry. Oh, and I know that my song isn't saying anything new. Oh, after the loving, I'm still in love with you. still love you, baby. Now, from the king of the love song to the king of the crooners, Frank Sinatra. Dooby 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 doo. If you let me love you, it's for sure I'm gonna love you all the way. Big finish now. You ready, sir? That's a good beard. All the way. Like I said, I don't have a whole lot of time, so I'm going to make like a little spiel. Thank you. My name is Johnny Bird. Indeed, I do live and tour from Las Vegas, Nevada. I will write your show on the spot if you bring me in there. We've been killing it here in Florida, in Texas, and all the way down there and all the way back, and we're having so much fun. I want to have some fun with you guys. But I'm going to leave you, maybe, with some songs going back to the late 50s. Now, this is one I want you to wiggle around, do something, move around. Get that blood going, come on. 1957, Danny and the Juniors. #1 hit. At the house. You can rock it, you can roll it, you can vibe it, you can stroll it at the house. When the record starts spinning, you calypso with a ticket at the house. Do the dance sensation that's sweeping the nation at the house. Come on, sing it. Let's go to the house. Let's go to the hop, let's go to the hop, let's go to the hop. Come on, let's go to the hop. Yeah. This side, this side, this side again. 1957 for this one. Thurston Harris. #2 hit on the Billboard charts. Little bitty pretty one, come on, don't do me. Let me love you one, come on, sit on my knee. 1958, Bobby Day took this to #2. Rockin' Robin. Rock 2-3 times all the day long, hoppin' and a boppin' and a singing this song. All the little birdies on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go. Rockin' Robin, Rockin' Robin. Oh, Rockin' Robin, really gonna rock tonight. Yeah. Yeah, man, you guys are fun down here in Florida, but you are nuts on the roads. I'm telling you, I don't know if you're from here or drive here from Illinois, but the drivers down here are absolutely crazy. By the way, Anna, this is my beautiful wife, Anna. We were on the road for 40 days, 40 nights. This is her first tour with me. We're at about 28 days, give or take, and did you see, there's a lady out here that looks exactly like my Grandma Millie. My Grandma Millie, and she means so much to me, but this woman here is much younger. And I love singing to a seasoned music-loving audience. Seasoned music. Now, just means you know your music. And we're actually celebrating on February 2nd my grandmother's 108th birthday. She's actually been dead for 14 years, but her parties were amazing. So we got to just keep this going, Grandma. So how about this? Do I have time for one more? Is it okay if I do one more? But I can't do it like this. And hey, Elliot, you back there? Will you help me out? I need everybody to look at your shoes. Just go ahead, look at your shoes, look at your neighbor's shoes. Oh, come on now. I gotta do this. Because I can't do no shoes, I gotta put on some boogie shoes. If you want to get up, you've been sitting down for a damn long time. Come on, get up and do a little boogie. Come on, get up. Girl, be with you is my favorite thing. Yeah, come on. And I can't wait to do it again. I'm a gang, come on. I want to put on my boogie shoes. Just a boogie with you. I wanna put on my boogie shoes, just a boogie with you. Yeah, I wanna do it till the sun comes. Hey, do you know so many people are standing up on this side and well, there's this side. Wanna do it till you can't get enough. Oh yeah. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Just a boogie with you, yeah. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Just a boogie with you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. My name is Johnny Bird. Lisa